These viral skeleton educational videos are getting millions of views right now, and tons of creators are posting them on YouTube Shorts. You can see a YouTube channel that has uploaded only 53 videos and already gained 288,000 subscribers, with one video reaching 16 million views. There is another channel uploading similar short-form educational videos on YouTube Shorts and also getting millions of views. These types of videos consistently attract massive reach, and many creators are growing their channels rapidly using this format. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how to create these videos step by step using AI. First, head over to ChatGPT and click on Explore GPTs. Then, search for skeleton shorts and select it. After that, click Start Chat to get started. This GPT model takes your script idea, or reference image, and creates text-to-image prompts for you. Alright, let's say you want to create an educational video about drinking lemon water. Simply type that topic into the ChatGPT model and hit Generate. Within seconds, it'll generate 6 different text-to-image prompts for you to choose from. Each one represents a different scene or angle for your video. Now, it's time to generate the visuals. Remember, I mentioned that these prompts are text-to-image prompts, but today, we're skipping the image generation process because I have a secret method to make videos directly from these prompts. Next, head over to a platform called Grok AI. If you don't have an account, go ahead and sign up. Then, click on the Imagine tab on the left side. Here's where it gets really important, so pay close attention. You need to upload a reference image of a skeleton in the image reference section. This ensures that all your generated images maintain the same skeleton style throughout your video. I've actually included 1 or 2 skeleton reference images in the Telegram channel. The link is in the description below this video. Just grab the one you like and upload it. After that, go back to ChatGPT, copy the first scene prompt, and paste it into Grok's prompt box. Once everything is set, click Generate and wait a few moments for your results. In just a few seconds, your first scene will be ready. Download it, and then repeat the same process for every scene. Copy the next scene prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Grok, generate, and download. Step by step, scene by scene, you'll build all the visuals for your viral shorts video completely free. Now, for the voiceover, head over to a platform called 11 Labs. Then, go back to the same chat in ChatGPT and ask it to give you a 1-sentence voiceover narration for each scene. Take the script that ChatGPT generated earlier and paste it into 11 Labs. After that, select a voice and click Generate. The platform will create a professional-sounding voiceover using realistic AI voices that sound incredibly natural. Just like that, you now have all the components for a viral-ready YouTube short. Download the voiceover file. Alright, now it's time to bring everything together in CapCut. Open CapCut on your computer or mobile device and start by importing all the video clips you just created, along with the voiceover file from 11 Labs. Once all your files are imported, drag the voiceover audio onto the timeline first. This is really important because the voiceover will serve as the foundation for your entire video. Everything else will be timed around it. Next, start arranging your skeleton video clips on the timeline above the voiceover. Match each clip to the corresponding part of the narration so the visuals align perfectly with what's being said. You may need to trim some clips or adjust their placement to make sure the pacing feels natural and the story flows smoothly from one scene to the next. Now, let's add captions to make your video more engaging and accessible. Click on the captions or text option in CapCut's toolbar, then select a basic caption template that fits your style. After that, hit the Auto Captions or Generate Captions button, and CapCut will automatically transcribe your voiceover and sync the text to your video. This is a huge feature because captions can significantly boost viewer retention, especially on shorts where many people watch without sound. Finally, once everything looks good, clips aligned, captions synced, and audio levels balanced, you're ready to export. Click the Export button in the top right corner. Choose your preferred quality settings, and let CapCut render your final video.
A fresh sip of lemon water starts the day with clarity and calm. The simple pour sets the tone for a clean and refreshing moment. Bright citrus and cool glass come together in a pause of mindful focus. Sunlight and hydration blend into an easy, energizing routine. Even reflections remind us to slow down and savor small habits. One relaxed sip brings a feeling of balance and renewal.